Namaskar. Today I will discuss Euler's equation of motions. Now here a set of equations governing the rotations of a rigid body referred to its own axis are known as Euler's equation of motions of a rigid body with one point fixed. Theorem 6. Obtain the Euler's equation of motions of a rigid body when one point of the body remains fixed. Proof. Consider a rigid body of which one point is fixed. Hence, translational motions of rigid body is absent and the body rotates about an axis, passes through the or a fixed point. The rotations of the body takes place under the actions of torque acting on it. Thus, the equations of the rotational motion of the body is a fixed frame. It's given by torque is equal to rate of change of angular momentum. N is equal to dl by dt at body. However, we know dri by dt fix is equal to dr by dt at body plus w cross ri. Therefore, the equations of motions of the rigid body becomes n is equal to dl by dt fix is equal to dl by dt at body plus w cross l, where w is the angular velocity of the body and l is the angular momentum and is given by l is equal to I bar w, where I bar is the moment of inertia tensor and is constant with respect to the body frame of reference. We choose the principal axis of the body with respect to which the off diagonal elements of the moment of inertia tensor vanish and only the diagonal elements remains in the expression for I bar. If Ix, Iy, I1, I2, I3 are the principal moments of the inertia, then we have I bar is equal to I1 0 0, I0 I2 0 0 0 I3. In this case, the expression for the angular momentum 2 becomes L is equal to I1 Wxi plus I2 Wij plus I3 Wkj Zk. Differentiating this with respect to time t, in both the frame we get dl by dt at body is equal to I1 Wii plus Wxi plus I2 Wij plus I3 Wzk. Also, we find the value of W cross L is equal to I Jk, Wx, Wy, Wz, I1 Wx, I2 Wy, I3 Wz. W cross L is equal to I3 minus I2 Wy, Wz minus J, I3 minus I1 Wx, Wz plus K, I2 minus I1 Wy, Wx. Hence, the equation of rotational motions of the rigid body becomes n is equal to dl by dt at body plus w cross l is equal to I1 Wx plus I3 minus I2 Wy, Wz plus J I2 Wy plus I1 minus I3 Wx Wz plus K I3 Wz plus I2 minus I1 Wx Wy. If the torque is expressed in the terms of the components as n is equal to I n x plus j n y plus k n z. Then on the equating the corresponding component on both the sides of the above equations, we obtain nx is equal to I1 wx plus I3 minus I2 wy wz, ny is equal to I2 wy dot plus I1 minus I3 wx wz, nz is equal to I3 wz plus I2 minus I1 wx wz. These are the required Euler's equations of the motions of the rigid body with one point fixed. In this case of torque, the motions of a rigid body, equation 3 reduces to I1 wx is equal to I2 minus I3 wy wz, I2 wy is equal to I3 minus I1 wx wz, I3 wx is equal to wz is equal to I1 minus I2 wx wy, and this is question. And now see here examples on Euler's equations of motion. If the rigid body with one point fixed rotates about the principal axis of the body, then show that kinetic energy of the body and the magnitude of the angular momentum are constant throughout the motion. The kinetic energy of the rigid body with one point fixed is given by T is equal to 1 by 2 Ixx Wx square plus Iyy Wi square plus Izz Wz square plus 2 Ixy Wx Wy plus 2 Iyz Wy Wz plus 2 Izx Wz Wx, where Ixx Iyy Izz and Ixy Iyx Izx are the moment of inertia and the product of inertia about the coordinate axis respectively. If the body rotates about the principal axis of the body, then product of inertia tensors are 0 and the moment of inertia tensors are constant. In this case, the kinetic energy becomes T is equal to 1 by 2 I1 Wx square plus I2 Wy square plus I3 Wz square, where I1 is equal to Ixx, I2 is equal to Iyy, Iz is equal to I3 is equal to Izz, and it gives moment of inertia, and this is required